Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing and entering the Nether. You need solid gear and a portal ready. Once your armor and weapons are on, build and ignite the Nether portal, then step through with blocks and food in quick reach. Make sure you carry a flint and steel to relight the portal if needed and potions of fire resistance to survive lava encounters. This first step gets you into the right dimension and protects you while you search for the resources that make a firestone. Once in the Nether, find a Nether fortress and focus on collecting blaze rods from blazes, because their rods are a key ingredient. Use a bow and cover to avoid fireball hits and light corridors to prevent spawns. While patrolling the fortress and surrounding netherrack, mine nether quartz and gather enough to meet the recipe. Make sure to use looting on your sword to increase drops and store items in a safe chest near the portal before crafting. Finish by crafting the firestone at your crafting table using the gathered blaze rods and nether quartz. Follow the specific mod or recipe layout if needed. Once crafted, test it on a safe target, light netherrack or use it in a controlled fire test, and confirm it behaves as expected. If you didn't get enough materials, return to the fortress, use looting or higher difficulty to boost drops, and make sure you're in the Nether rather than the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.